Morning setup trading strategy. Capturing early market moves. A high probability day trading strategy focused on the first few hours of market open. Identifying the pre-market setup, news and data, analyzing overnight news and economic data releases. Example, CPI, PMI. Gapping stocks. Screening for gapping stocks. Stocks with significant price differences from the previous day's close. Minimum 2% gap. Key indicators and tools. VWAP. Volume weighted average price. VWAP acts as a dynamic support resistance level. Relative volume compares current volume to the average volume over a period, e.g. 50-day average, looking for at least 1.5 times relative volume. Moving averages. Moving averages, 9 EMA, 20 SMA to identify short-term trends. Entry criteria, confirmation and momentum. Market open, waiting for the market open, 9:30 AM EST, and the initial volatility to subside, typically 5 to 15 minutes. Breakout confirmation, price breaking above pre-market resistance for long positions or below pre-market support for short positions. Stop loss and profit targets. Stop loss. Stop loss placement, just below the breakout candle's low for long or just above the breakout candle's high for short, typically risking 0.5 to 1% of capital per trade. Profit target. Profit target, setting a risk-reward ratio of at least 1.5 to 1 or 2 to 1. For example, a 50-cent risk implies a $2 reward, 75 cents to $1 profit target. Trade management and psychology. Trading plan. Importance of sticking to the trading plan. No emotional decisions. Position size. Managing position size. Not risking more than 1 to 2% of trading capital per trade. Example, trade scenarios. Bullish. Example, stock XYZ gaps up 5% pre-market on positive earnings, breaks above pre-market resistance of $50 at 9:40 AM with 2.5x relative volume. Enter long at $50.05, stop loss at $49.75, target profit at $50.65, 2 to 1 risk reward. Bearish example, stock ABC gaps down 4% pre-market on negative news, breaks below pre-market support of $25 at 9:35 AM with 3x relative volume. Enter short at $24.95, stop loss at $25.25, target profit at $24.35, 2 to 1 risk reward. Risk management and disclaimer. This strategy involves risk and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Always use proper risk management techniques and trade with capital you can afford to lose. Consider consulting with a financial advisor before implementing any trading strategy.